Did you know about the Advanced BVH broadcasting settings in Access Studio? If you want to broadcast live data into MotionBuilder or Maya, you need to use Advanced BVH broadcasting. First, either have your perception neuron suit connected to Access Studio, or open a take and play it back on loop. Then, go to Main Menu, Settings, Advanced BVH Broadcasting. Remember, this tab is just for broadcasting into Autodesk products like Maya and MotionBuilder. For broadcasting into other 3D software, you will just use BVH Broadcasting. Enable BVH Capture if you are wearing a suit, or enable Advanced BVH Edit if you are broadcasting recorded data. Then, you will select the appropriate skeleton. For Maya and MotionBuilder, you'll probably either use the Access Studio skeleton, the Access Studio Thumb Open skeleton, or the Maya Mobu Human IK skeleton. You'll want to make sure that this placement is disabled, and make a note of your IP address and port number. When you are ready, click OK. And now you would complete your setup in Maya or MotionBuilder. And that is how you use the Advanced BVH broadcasting settings in Access Studio.